Welcome to Goa 365's News Now. I am Manish Parab and these are the headlines. Government to raise rupees 400 to 500 crore by e-auctioning unclaimed ore dumps on private lands, announces CM Dr. Pramod Sawant. The government is set to raise substantial revenue of approximately rupees 400 to 500 crore through the e-auction of unclaimed ore dumps located on private lands. Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant announced that the state plans to auction these mining dumps within the next 15 days. The decision was made after the cabinet approved adjustments to the existing e-auction policy aimed at facilitating this process. Speaking to the media after the cabinet meeting, Sawant revealed that the government had identified 30 to 40 such dumps, though many more are believed to exist across the state. These dumps, which have not been claimed by landowners, will be auctioned off by the government, which will also earn revenue through royalty payments. The process is expected to benefit both the state and landowners, as the government will pay a specific amount to owners of the land as lease payments, while simultaneously freeing the land for future use. The e-auction will target dumps on private properties where land conversion charges have not been paid.
Revised e-auction policy for dump. आम्ही e-auction policy dumpsaची केल्ली ती थोडीशी रिवाइज केल्या. हातूंतल्यान एक 2-3 गजाली इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. आम्ही प्रायवेट जागेर आशिल्ले डंप जे कोणी क्लेम करूंक नाशिल्ले आनी जेणी आपलो कन्वर्जन चार्ज त्या लँडाचो जेन्ना भरूंक नाशिल्लो अशा जाग्यावयले डंप्स हे आयडेंटिफायड केल्या आनी ते डंप आयडेंटिफाय करून गव्हर्मेंट ई-ऑक्शन करतली. गव्हर्मेंट ई-ऑक्शन केल्या उपरांत इट इज एन डायरेक्टली रेव्हेन्यू गव्हर्मेंटाक येतलो. अगेन त्यांनी रॉयल्टी पेमेंट करपाक जाय. हातूंतल्यान एट प्रेजेंट बीग आनी मोठो रेव्हेन्यू जो आसा हो गव्हर्मेंटाक येतलो. आनी दुसरी गजाल जे बेस्टेड डंप प्रायवेट लँडांचेर पडून आशिल्ली त्यांची लँड फ्री जातली. तांकां गव्हर्मेंट जे आसा पळय न्ही एक मिनिमम लीज जो लँडाचो लीज हो तांकां दिवपाचें डिसायड करतली. इट इज कितले पर्सेंटेज आनी कितें हे गव्हर्मेंट वील टेक द डिसिजन. म्हणजे हे डंप्स कोणीच क्लेम करूंक नाशिल्ले आपलो डंप्स म्हणून आनी त्या जेच्या जागेन हो डंप्स आसले त्यांनी लँड कन्वर्जन चार्ज फारीक करूंक नासलो. एट प्रेजेंट एप्रॉक्सिमेटली 30 to 40 डंप्स आयडेंटिफाय केले. पण हे डंप खूब आसा अजुनूय बी खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात. हे ताजो बेजीक सर्वे करून हे आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले आसा. ती एट प्रेजेंट हाजी पॉलिसी सुरू करतले म्हणजे डंप ऑक्शन करपाक फुडल्या 15 दिसाच्या भितर हेजें ऑक्शन जातलें.
रेव्हेन्यू जनरेशन कितले जावं?
इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द कितलो ओवर आसा आनी कितल्या ग्रेडीचो ओवर आसा. प्रोजेक्शन हेजे एप्रॉक्सिमेटली इट वील गो 400 to 500 CR ऑल्सो एट प्रेजेंट. म्हणजे त्यात इट डिपेंड्स क्वालिटी एंड क्वांटिटी कितली आहा ती. बट वी आर एप्रॉक्सिमेटली तरी पोचू शकता. बट सुरवातीच्या घडीक 30 डंप सुमार आयडेंटिफाय केला. तेजे ई-ऑक्शन परत करतले. अशे वेगवेगळे कडेन राज्यांत असलेले डंप हे आमी आयडेंटिफाय करपाक सुरवात केल्ले आसा आनी ते ट्रान्सफरंट पद्दतीत हाजो ई-ऑक्शन प्रोसेस हो सुरू जातलो. ही पॉलिसी पयलीं जाल्ली, तितून फक्त थोडेशे चेंजीस करपाक जाय आसले म्हणून ती रिवाइज्ड ई पॉलिसी ऑफ डंप्स म्हणून हाडलेली.
Manish Parab and Sanika Nagvekar for Goa 365. We will take a short break. Stay with us. Piles of garbage line roadsides across Mapsa and multiple black spots are quickly emerging. Furious locals are demanding the MMC to install CCTVs in the area and take strict action against miscreants causing the issue.
हांगासर अशी घाण जाल्या ना रावून वचो हांगासर. आतां हांव तुका बायट दिता, तूं हांगा उबें रावला की हांगासर अशी मुताची घाणी येता की अक्षरशः रावून वचो. म्हाका दिसता मोडे सुद्दां हांगा हाडून दवरीत जाल्यार ते जिते जातले अशी परिस्थिती हांगासर ते वासान. पण ही बाबडी ब्युटी पार्लरचे हांगा लोक ते कामाक आसान, सायडीक शॉपां आसान, ATM आसा, ते लोक कशे रावतात म्हणून काय समजना हांगासर. तेजेर तेच आतां हांव परत तेच सांगता आनी आतां हांवें थंय बायट दिला तेजेर तेच सांगलां. हे म्युन्सिपाल्टीन ही बारीक ही कामां तुमच्या कडेन जमाना, बारीक काम हे आतां, हे व्हडलें काम न्ही. हेका हांगासर कितें तरी हांगासर तुमी करूंक जाय. लोकांक हांगासर जशें करून रावता आनी क्लिनलेस करून ही घाणी हांगासर आमकां सुद्दां आतां रावून वचो बायट दिता म्हणल्यार पूण ती कशी रावता, सकाळी येता ती सांजची वयता आनी घाणी. तेन्ना हेजेर म्युन्सिपल फाटल्या तेंपान कावन्सिलरान येयल्ले हे हांगासर कितें उजगाडन केल्लें, तेंचें काम फक्त उजगाडन करपाचें. उजगाडन करप, पेपरार फोटो हाडप आनी मागीर हेजेर कोणें कांय पळोवप ना. मागीर आमी पॉप मारप, हेंच्या नांवान आमी पॉप मारप आनी सांगप हे हांगा जालां तें जालां करून. तरी तेंचे दोळे उडना. मागीर ते आमकां विचारता की तुमी हे करता आनी तें करता. तुमी करा कामां. किंवा फुडें गार्बेज आतां व्हेली वरा भितर गार्बेज येता, कोण उडयता हांगासर? तुमी तुमकां तेंकां हांवें सांगलेलें तेन्ना चेअरपर्सनाक सांगलेलें तुमी त्या जाग्यार कॅमेरा लायात आनी तेंकां घट धरात आनी तेंकां फायन दिया म्हणून. काय ना, हेजेर कांय करप ना. फक्त आमी उलयलेकूच आमचे उलयल्ले दिसता तेंकां. जेन्ना हे पळय हेजेर आतां घाण आसा पळय, ही घाण ताबडतोब हांगासर मुतपाचें बी बंद करपाचें. हांगासर तेंच्यांनी 2-3 लायटी घालपाच्यो, बऱ्यो कॅमेरा लावपाचो. तेज्या कडून कोण हांगासर हें आहा पळय तें बंद जातलें. आनी
very bad for us being ill and all. So they should do something about it. This is my request. Garbage is always there. Now they have sent some people there, so they just stack it there. But here also see, it's very dirty. They should do something. So many times we have told them. And this water, I don't know how many times we have reported because of this water thing. But nobody is doing the necessary thing. I hope they help us out actually to keep this place clean.
Nitiksha Gaonkar, Manisha Jadhav and Muzaif Sheikh for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. And lastly, for the weather, there is a deep depression over the Bay of Bengal that stayed mostly in the same place over Thursday. But this system will move north-northwest along the Sri Lanka coast by Friday, after which it will continue moving north-northwest and is likely to cross the North Tamil Nadu Puducherry coast on the morning of 30th November.
There's a slight chance it could strengthen into a cyclonic storm by the 29th of November, bringing strong winds and possible rain to the Tamil Nadu and Puducherry regions by the 30th of November. It might strengthen slightly but is not expected to become a major cyclone. Now, usually in Goa, we do feel some impact of these cyclones, but we expect the weather to stay dry. And in fact, the cooling trend we've been seeing is expected to continue. Daytime highs will stay in the low 30s, with IMD predicting a maximum of 33 degrees Celsius until Sunday, dropping to 32 degrees Celsius later next week. Nighttime lows will fluctuate between 21 degrees Celsius and 23 degrees Celsius. By the weekend, temperatures are likely to hit their lowest, with 21 degrees Celsius forecasted. On Friday, we'll kick off the day with crisp, chilly fog and a bit of wind. By noon, it'll warm up and the air will go still, with skies turning slightly cloudy. How cloudy it gets could impact temperatures. The cloudier, the warmer dot. By evening, the fog makes a comeback with some dew in the air. You might want to keep a jacket or hat handy. For commuters, dense fog in some pockets could mess with visibility. Drive safely and don't forget to use fog lights if needed. Weather very likely to remain dry for next 5 days. Mainly cloudy skies forecast until the weekend. Foggy conditions predicted for Friday morning and night. Maximum and minimum on Friday 33 degrees Celsius and 21 degrees Celsius respectively. No alerts for boat owners near Goa coast. Bureau report with inputs from IMD.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. And for more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube Goa 365 TV. Take care, stay safe and keep watching Goa 365.